Problem 3. At 8 o'clock in the morning, Luke and Ivan start walking towards each other at a constant rate. At 9:20, they're at a distance of 10 kilometers from each other. At 10 o'clock, that's later, they are still at a distance of 10 kilometers from each other. At 11 o'clock, Luke reaches Ivan's starting place, and at 11 o'clock, Ivan is blank kilometers from Luke's starting place. So, I'm just confused. Did they just say that they're at a distance of 10 kilometers from each other 2 times? At different times? That's actually 40 minutes later. What does that mean? Where did the second 10 kilometers from each other come from? Well, the problem never said to stop. Never said to stop, right? It's back in the end, we know that Luke reached Ivan's starting place. So that means that, if this is Luke at 9:20 and this is Ivan, by 10 o'clock, Ivan could be over here while Luke is over here. But their distances still stay 10 kilometers. So this is at 9:20. This is at 10 o'clock. So that's actually something that could happen, Yeah. That's something that can happen. So let's scroll all the way down here. So now we're gonna think, right? So we're not gonna we're gonna be drawing this out as we usually do, making a diagram. So this is what we're going to do. So this is Luke's starting place and this is Ivan's starting place. And this is going to be the 10 kilometers that I will be chasing. So from 9:20 to 10 o'clock, I'm first gonna mark out each person's route. So this is Luke's, right? So over here, right, that is what he got to, and then he said because he was 10 kilometers from each other, and then stop right there, and then continued. Right, so that's what I can use. For Ivan, he started here, right? And he's gonna go all the way here. Stop, he's at the 10-kilometer mark. Go those 10 kilometers and go to Luke's starting place. So these two parts, they're both 10 kilometers. And how long did that take? Actually, how long did that take? So 9:20 to 10 o'clock. That is 40 minutes. That's 40 minutes. And 10, well, it was repeated 2 times right here. So there's actually 2 times, which means 20. And then we're going to divide. But, this is actually, when we're going to answer this question, you see that this is all like by hours. So actually, this 40 needs to be divided by 60 in order to have the proper unit. So what does this equal? 20, after we remove the brackets, just equals divided by 40 times 60. So can we solve this now? Sure, because we can use associative property, right? We first multiply 20 with 60, which means that is 1,200 divided by 40. That is 30. So then the combined speeds of Luke and Ivan are 30 kilometers per hour. So what's the time then? We're going to try to find the total distance of this whole thing now. What's the time that was used? So the time that was used is from 8 o'clock all the way to 10 o'clock, right? 8 o'clock to 10 o'clock, which would be 10 minus 8, so that's 2 hours. And then we do have to minus a 10, because why do we have to minus this 10? You see that if we're trying to find the total, we can't just repeat this 10 kilometers 2 times. There's only one 10 kilometer. So really we need to minus 110 from 30 times 2 to get rid of the extra 10, because there should only be 110 right here, in order to get 50. The distance from L to I is 50 kilometers. By 11 o'clock, we have this total speed, 30, times, what's the time though? 8 to 11. So actually that's 3 hours, which equals 90 kilometers. So from 8 o'clock to 11 o'clock, both of the people, they walked 90. So altogether they walked 90 kilometers. So then how much did Ivan walk? Well, that would be 90 minus 50, which equals 40. 40. So, 40. And then we subtract 40 from 50, which equals 10. So, at 11 o'clock, Ivan is 10 kilometers from the starting place.